So guys, we're back with another episode. Yeah, you may see my background's a little bit different. Yeah, I finally saw the movie Suicide Squad. Man, I've been wanting to see that for ages. Now, I finally got the chance to see the movie. My favorite guy right here. But hang on, I'll show you my two favorite guys. Show y'all. Dang. So yes, my favorite people on the movie is Deadshot and I can't say his name. Diablo, I can't really say his name yet. I like those two right here. Like this one and this one from Suicide Squad. So I really like that. But why we're here is to play chicken. I played this game a little bit. I really like the game. It's actually pretty fun. So watch. Start from level 1. Oh my. I think I can't play it while I'm on the speaker. Sorry guys, I think we can't play the loud thingamajig. So we're gonna have to play this thing. So right now I'm on level 5 of this. This one's my most favorite one already of the game. I'm sort of good at it. Now I'm just gonna turn it up a little bit. If y'all can still hear me, yeah. So guys, I saw we had 139 subs while I was away. That's a lot of subs for a long time I've been off. So guys, what should I do for my next video though? More chicken? Or random apps? Hang on guys, wait. So guys, I'm back. Man, I have to redo this now. Wee-hoo, I'm just a little chicken. Guys, what should we call our chicken? Bob? Freddy? What should you say? I say Bob. Fredbear. Let me focus on these arrows though. So guys, let's see if we can sort of complete all of the level. Hey guys, have you all heard about PewDiePie? About what he said, family friendly Felix now. But he said that was a joke, which I took that as a joke. I thought he would never actually go to family friendly Felix. So why did PewDiePie go to friendly Felix though? PewDiePie, why? He went to friendly Felix. Let's get to level 10. Then I'm gonna stop the video. After Brian, you trying to take my board off? You can't take my... Oh, how did you take my board off? So, shop. Let's see, can I buy my new chicken? Ooh, I like this chicken. That's my chicken right there. That's the Green Widow chicken. I'm gonna call him Harry, because he has some sweet hair. No. Whoa, watch out, Harry. It's Harry. Oh. Guys, just not. Stop it right there. Yeah. Stop it right there. Hang on, guys, in a second. Guys, I'm back. So I just want to show you guys on something on YouTube, which I haven't really recognized before. Oh, who recorded? Okay. Man on Shoutout Sundays. Oh wait, I took that back. There's 138 subscribers, I mean. I bet I'll get them back. because I haven't recorded in about 6 days. I should have told you guys. But, what's up? I got that many views though. That's a lot of views. But look guys, if I record, go back to the duct tape challenge. 2 months ago, I recorded this video. I recorded this straight up video. 212 views. Do y'all still want to see more of this duct tape challenge? I made you a duct tape challenge for 150 subscribers. If y'all can hit 150 subscribers, I will do the duct tape challenge. If you do, for 150 subs, you get the duct tape challenge, but there's going to be a little twist. It's going to be a little more harder than last time. Okay guys, I'm just going to end the episode for here now. So, goodbye.